Well, let's bring it home. You was hit by a truck and you were lying on that gutter dying, and you had time to sing one song. Huh? One song for people to remember before you're dead. One song that God knew what you felt about your time here on earth. One song that would sum you up. You're telling me that's a song you'd sing? That same Jimmy Davis tune we hear on the radio all day? About your peace within and how it's real and how you want to shout it? Or would you sing something different? Something real, something you felt? Because I'm telling you right now, that's the kind of song people want to hear. That's the kind of song that truly saves people. And it got nothing to do with believing in God, Mr. Cash. It has to do with believing in yourself.
Well, I got a couple songs that I wrote in the Air Force. You got anything against the Air Force?
No.
I do. I hear the train coming. It's rolling around the bend. And I ain't seeing the sunshine. Yeah. I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. And time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps rolling on down to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy. Don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. I'll bet there's rich folks sitting in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming. I know I can be free. But those people keep moving, and that's what tortures me.